Okay, so 9th standard students, a very warm welcome to the online session of JC English High School. In the last video, we have already completed the structure of labor force in India. Okay, these four things we already have discussed and this is over. So, this is the next topic, what it is, the causes of unemployment in India. Okay, the causes of unemployment in India. What are the main causes for the unemployment in India that we will be studying in this session. The major causes of unemployment are as follows. What are the major causes of unemployment? Jobless growth. Okay, what is this jobless growth? In the recent days, the growth of Indian economy has been described as jobless. Okay, the growth has been described as jobless. Why? Since 1990, Indian economic growth is mainly based on manufacturing and service sector. Okay, because that time what happened after 1990, the thing is that the manufacturing and the service industry, they got the boom position. Okay, many manufacturing companies has come and even the service sector also. Okay, the use of modern technology resulted in low level of employment creation. See, suppose 5 persons are working in a place, okay, but that 5 persons work, what the companies are doing, they are getting one machinery which will do the work for that 5 person. Company always think for their profit. As a result, what happens? This 5 person get jobless. Okay, this is a reason for the unemployment of India. The use of modern technology resulted in low level of employment creation. The low level of growth in primary sector curtailed the job opportunities in rural areas which are mainly based on agricultural activities. So what it is exactly? The low level of growth. Low level of growth in primary sector means the agricultural sector. Okay, curtailed the job opportunities in rural areas which are mainly based on agricultural activities. Thus, it resulted in jobless growth. Okay, so the first one is jobless growth. Jobs are not there means the growth will be jobless growth. Okay, growth for jobless is getting. Unemployment, when it happens, when the unemployment happens, it means jobless growth. Next point. Okay, the next point, it is increase in labor force. Increase in labor force. What is this? Population growth has been adding more labor force to the market. Okay, day by day the population is getting increasing. Okay, and as it is increasing, what happened? The more and more people, they are looking for job, but there is no supply of that job. The demand what it is there for job, okay, the supply is not there. Okay, so what happened? Unemployment happens. So population growth has been adding more labor force to the market in rural areas, whereas on account of growing labor force, unemployment has increased mainly in disgust form. Okay, because rural areas people, the growth of population is getting higher and higher. Okay, so the place where there will be more population, there will be more unemployment. Okay, that's why there is a need to control the population. That's why several educative training program and all have come. They will go to the villages, they will make them understand that if you are having a small family, it is easy to run that family. If you are having a big family, means 7-8 children are there. Okay, they will be lacking behind for education because money is not there that much. Okay, so 1 or 2 kids they can handle, but if it is 6 to 8 kids, health, then your education, then fooding, all things, clothing, everything they have to take care. Okay, so what happened in rural areas, whereas on account of growing labor force, unemployment has increased mainly in disgust form. In urban areas it is open and visible. Okay, it is urban areas are also having this unemployment. Okay, it it is open and visible. There people can understand, okay, that why the unemployment is growing day by day. They will take measures, okay. Next is the inappropriate technology. Okay, what is this inappropriate technology? In India, the technology being used in agriculture and industries has become increasingly capital intensive, leading to less labor absorption. Okay, if you have to do this one, inappropriate technology, in India, the technology being used in agriculture and industries has become increasingly capital intensive, leading to less labor absorption. Okay, you are using machinery, and with the use of machinery, what happened? You can curtail the job of 5 people. Sometimes before only I told you the reason. Okay, once the modern technology came into existence, what is happening? The thing is that you will be the machinery can replace many people. Okay, one machine is sufficient. Maybe I am giving an example that one machine, with the help of one machine, you can do the work for 20%. So what will happen? This 20% they will become jobless, means unemployment will be increasing very high. Okay, to remain idle. Okay, then what is this? To less labor absorption. Okay, once the machineries came, means there will be less. Even see, 20 people are there. Once your production is getting increased, what will happen? We have to appoint more people. But here it is not happening, because that machine is able to serve for 50 people. So what happened? These 20 people already lost their jobs. Okay, another 30 people which we need to meet the demand for that production, we don't have to take that much of people, because the machine alone can perform that work. Okay, this is good for the company, but it increases the unemployment in the country. Next is dependence on agriculture. Agriculture being a seasonal activity, a large proportion of employees or workers engaged in such activities are compelled to remain idle for 3 to 4 months in a year. Suppose I am having the agricultural business, I am dependence on agriculture, I am totally dependent on agriculture. Okay, and I am having what I am having mango groups. Mango groups means I am having, suppose I am having 100 mango trees. Okay, I depend on that one for my livelihood. But the thing is that mango comes seasonal. Okay, there are many seasonal products. So what happened? I can earn for 3 to 4 months. Okay, when the will come, what the season will come. But after that I will be jobless, because I can't make mango, means I can't cultivate the mango in the month of November and December. So what will happen? This is one example. There are several things like this which are seasonal. So the person who are in the agricultural activities of seasonal product, they have to ideally sit for 3-4 months. They have to sit for 3-4 months. Okay, why? Because once the season done, they will not be able to cultivate that product. Next is the decline of small scale and cottage industry. Okay, small scale means small industries are there. Okay, they prepare many things. Okay, the thing is that jute, I told you previously also that jute is a very good thing. Okay, but it comes under the cottage industry. But what is happening? Jute is expensive if you compare it with the synthetic or polythene materials. Okay. Suppose one thing I am telling you, previously we used the rope to tie something for, we was using the jute rope. Okay. Nowadays the synthetic rope has come, which are very cheap if you compare with the jute. So what happened? Those persons who are working for the small scale industry or cottage industry, they are being deprived. Okay, The decline of small scale industries which have the capacity to generate significant amount of jobs is another cause of unemployment. See, in the cottage industry, previously people was there who was working in that companies, okay, but nowadays what happened, as there is a less demand, if demand is not there, what happened, the unemployment will happen in those sectors, means that cottage and small scale industries, okay, due to less demand, because people are getting the same thing, means your work is getting done, okay, whatever the jute is doing, the polythene is also doing the same thing. Previously people used to go to the market with jute bag, now this one cover bag with for this plastic bag, this one has come, so people don't use the jute bags and all. So as the demand decreases, what is happening, as the demand is getting decline, the companies, the person who are working there, they are becoming jobless, okay. So another 5, this here we have already completed the 5 points. The 5 points are jobless growth, okay, then your jobless growth, then increase in labor force, then inappropriate technology, dependence on agriculture, and decline of small scale and cottage industry. Another 5 points are there which we will be discussing in the next video. So until then, have a nice day and stay fit. Thank you.